Good morning, friends. Today I am going to show you a new feature which is expected to come in Odoo version 17, that is a specific coupon to be made available during checkout process for customers, because we never know, like we have some coupons available to redeem during our online shopping. So here we have allocated a coupon and which is made applicable for a product, that is LCD 42-inch, and then when I planning to buy this, it will be made available to show during checkout process. So let's say I'm buying a separate different product which is not LCD 42 but LCD 55, and I am going into cart. The coupon is made available over here as a reference. If I want to use, it will not be allowed. So I'm just deleting it, going to shop again and selecting right product where my coupon can be applicable. And then once I use it, it will allow me to get 10% discount based on my configuration. So this is a new feature where customer can be educated with available coupon to him, because I have allocated this specifically coupon to a customer only. Okay, if I am going as any other customer, I will not be able to see any coupon code because I am not signing and even I am anonymous customer over here. So now any coupon which is associated with a specific customer, it will be made available over here during checkout process and customer can utilize it effectively. This feature will help a lot to improve the entire e-commerce experience for customers. Thank you.